Hello, everyone. Come this way. For we are not on Reverend today. No, we are not. Why are we not? Because whilst I was leveling up, I came through this area, which I hadn't been through before, and I defeated a boss. A boss that I had not previously defeated. And so, in order to show you the boss, I got to this point on another character, which I personally think looks fucking awesome, other than the fact he's hollowed. But yeah, wearing the Ornstein armor with some Silver Knight leggings, Faris's hat, using a Black Knight sword. I'll just show you. Oh, they're not the Silver Knight leggings, the Painting Guardian ones. Yeah. Black Knight sword +5, got my Pyromancy flame +10, got my Grass Crest shield +9, got this +4, because I killed a couple things. Don't judge me. Got them as per. Anyway. You ready? I two-shot this boss, and then, because the first time I got here I didn't really have any health. And then the second time, I managed to successfully hit it 3 times and win. Ow. It might have been 4 times, actually. But, there we go. That is that boss. And from that boss, you get the Rite of Kindling. Let's see what mask I get, shall we? Because there's 3 masks with Pinwheel. Mask of the Child. I got Mask of the Mother on the other character. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Apparently Mask of the Father's the most rare one, so I'm not surprised I didn't get it. There we go. Boom. One of the 3 masks of the Pinwheel, the necromancer who stole the power of the Gravelord and reigns over the catacombs. This mask, belonging to the naive child, slightly raises stamina recovery speed. That's actually amazing! Because now I've got this and the Grass Crest shield. I am well chuffed. But yeah. This is as far as I got on Reverend, and I only got 1 level up, and I accidentally put it into Faith rather than Intelligence. And I am an idiot. Or Intelligence rather than Faith, I'm not sure. There's also a thing around somewhere. I'm not sure. Oh, that was close. Have I been down here? Is it down here I've been, or not? I'm not sure. But there was an item somewhere that I went and got. Tomb of the Giants. I have not been here on the other character, so I will not go there yet on this one. But somewhere around here. Is it up here? Yeah, up here. Come up here. You do your running thing. Then you come down here. There is an item, I believe. So dark. There we go. Told you. Soul of a Proud Knight. I don't look so cool anymore, do I? No. But it is a lot more practical. Anyway. That is that for this character. And hopefully I will remember to show y'all this episode in its true form of this character and the what I'm gonna move on to, because otherwise this is gonna be a hell of a short episode. So I will be right back. Welcome back, everyone. What do you think about the Mask of the Father? Yeah. Let's have a look, shall we? Mask of the Mother, even. Slightly raises HP. It's not amazing, but more health's more health, bro. So, come up here, and now I know which direction I've got to go. Ha ha! Boom. So yeah, I've been that way, and I tried going along there and fell back down there, and I died last time. So, now I know. But what I'm going to actually do is, because it's dark, put this on so I can see slightly better. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, Tomb of the Giants. Look at that. It's a foot. Oh, hello, giant. Skeleton. Can I one-shot you? I cannot remember. I cannot. That's upsetting. But I can two-shot you, so that's something, I suppose. Hope you don't come back to life. Hope there's no necromancers around here. You don't look like you're coming back to life. Ooh, ooh. How do you get there? I do not know. Right, I want to explore this bit before I go down there. That was rude of you. Can I one-shot you like this? No, but it does stagger you, so it's probably better for me. What's this? Large soul of a proud knight. How wonderful. How very wonderful. Oh no, I'm getting shot at. I'm not a fan of getting shot at, I'm not. Ow. Guys, calm down. Jeez. Escape! Oh, I missed that. Oh, hello there. Oh no, I forgot to talk to him. Oh no, and I'm out of Estus. What is this? Skull lantern, lovely. Always useful for more light. Right, so, did I kill the clerics? Because if I didn't, I believe they're meant to be down here somewhere. Let's just have a look. What's through here? It's a tunnel. Ooh, that doesn't look nice. They remind me of the things from one of the old Mario games on Game Boy Color. That was fun. Never completed it. It's a ruddy difficult game, that. Ruddy difficult, I say. Now then, I believe I've got to kill Patches. Well, I may not have to, but I will. Ooh, well, that was close. Where am I? Oh! I'm getting arrowed again. That's not nice. It's not nice at all. Hello again, Patches.
Oh, well, I did you wrong, but these
Sure you didn't.
temptation, you know what I mean, don't you? You and me, we're...
What are you going to give me?
Oh, brilliant. I had a fee. But, if I were in your shoes...
You're not going to give me anything.
I did you wrong. These
Die, Patches. You still alive? No? Good. Did you drop anything? You did. Well, looks like I've got a ladder trip to take. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. I need to find a bonfire. Then I can kindle it twice at least nowadays. Climb down this ladder like so. Do-do-do. Yeah. Roll. Oh, I also found a Firekeeper soul whilst I was leveling up on this guy. So I need to hand that in to a Firekeeper. But which one should I hand it into? That is the current question. Roll. Rolling, rolling, rolling. For humanity and the Crescent Axe. Let's have a look at the Crescent Axe. I've never seen that before. It's a holy weapon. Needs 16 faith. Meh. A well-used old bronze axe with a long hilt and crescent-shaped blade. One of the blessed weapons of the Way of White, the Crescent Axe, is bequeathed to cleric warriors who have proven their faith. Interesting. Most interesting. Let's see what's up here. A drop! Haha! White Titanite chunk. I believe that's for Divine Weapon Ascension. Not like Ascension, but upgrading. You know, I have a feeling these things are going to attack me and be absolutely lethal one day. Kind of feel bad rolling through people's bones, but oh well. Climb! Gonna have a sip of my tea if you hear that sloshing about. Maybe, I don't know. My mamada made that for me. How very nice of her, if I do say so myself, which I do. What's this? Is this a new ladder? Is that just a hole to fall down? Looks like it's just a hole to fall down. Oh my god, arrows from everywhere. Why are there arrows coming from everywhere? I don't like that, I don't. They're fucking huge. They look like Quincy arrows from Bleach. They do. They do indeed. Oh, there's no point in me going down here or there. No, I best come down here then. Where am I now? Oh, there is a ladder. Ugh. Oh no, there's some giant skelly men down there, there are. That don't look like fun, that don't. I wonder if I can jump that. Hiya! Yes! By the power of Grey Mother and Skull. What is that? That looks like a blacksmith. But it also looks like some ore from WoW. Who knows? Definitely a blacksmith. As if I made it round here. What's going on, boys? I did a thing. I'm not used to doing things. I usually fuck up. Haha. What? How many of these fuckers are there? Bloody hell. I don't really have a way to deal with them either. But I suppose I should probably grab this. And this. That looks like a door to me. Ah, fuck. Where's the ladder? I know there is one. I saw it earlier. Well, I'm dead. 45k souls? I'm not happy about that. I could have leveled up a whole one time. Da-na-na, na-na-na, da-na-na, na, da-na-na. Where am I? Oh, really? I'm all the way back here. Fuck's sake. Why are there no bonfires further on? It seems mildly unfair if you ask me. Of course you didn't ask me though. Sorry, I was being a bit of an idiot there. Roll! Wow, I actually made it to this one. That's the first time I've actually landed on that one. Usually I bounce off and go straight to this one. Or bounce off and fall all the way down here and just die. Hello, blacksmith.
An ember? Ah, forget about it. What has gone wrong with embers?
What's going wrong with embers these days? Love it. Do 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 do. That dropped from one of the people in Ulasil, one of the gardeners. Pretty cool. Anything else? Not that I can see there. Armor wise, don't think there's anything new. Should probably repair this stuff. go. Do you have anything new to say?
I've told you.
Nope. I've already given you that fire. Dumbass.
If that had been
Good to see you, skeleton dude. I have a bad feeling you're going to be dead after I kill Nito, but oh well, I should probably heal before coming through here. It's a pretty dangerous place. Run! Ow. Ah, fuck! Ah, shit! Ah, balls! I told you it was a pretty dangerous place. I'll come down here. Then I'll heal up. That's what I'll do. That's what I've done. Very good. Die. There's a lot of books. So difficult finding a bonfire around this place. It might be because I call them bonfires and not bonfires, but I don't think it is. Now then. There's an item drop that I'm sure you need to drop down from something to get. But where doth you need to drop down from? Is it up here? Some fairly oh. What's this? Haha. I did a thing, guys. Did a thing. Ow. Double ow. Now there's two of them. This is going to be very, very painful. I'm just going to drop down here and hope I'm alright. And I died. Fuck. This is why I said I'd level up off camera. But harvesting like 40k souls isn't like an easy thing to do. If no one minds, I'm thinking about actually just swapping to my other character. Admittedly, they've done a boss fight that I haven't, so I'll need to do that boss fight with this character. But that character is just so much more fun, better to play, but I also feel like I'd be cheating, kind of, because it'd lose the integrity of doing the whole thing on this one guy. I just don't know, guys. Just don't know. See what I mean? Just bounce off. Fucking die. Ooh, that shortcut annoys me. That shortcut annoys me a lot. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, oh. Alright. I'm gonna get back to fucking Pinwheel Place. Then I'm gonna kill some giant skeletons. And then I'm gonna fuck some shit up in the next episode. And I'm dead. Why? Oh man. Maybe you're just not meant to roll. Maybe you're just meant to run. I don't fucking know. But I'm fairly certain that that one time I did roll. So, yeah. Great consistency in this section. Great consistency indeed. You know, I really think those spikes should be poisoned or cause bleed or something. They're rather just irritating otherwise. Not like a fun obstacle for you. They're just a thing. Oh, just running works. Well, isn't that just fucking wonderful? Ugh. Right then, I guess I should probably kill these fuckers. Oh no. Oh dear. That wasn't fun. In fact, that was quite the opposite of fun. Oh my lord. I'm gonna come through here. Right, turns out killing them isn't the fastest way of getting through here. Or the most health efficient. But then again, running also is more likely to get me perma-killed. Well, not perma-killed, because that's not really a feature of the game. But you know what I mean. Probably. These blighters... Ooh, I'm not a fan. I'm glad that I can one-hit kill them with a light attack, but my light attacks are too slow for it to actually be that useful. I think that if you used, like, that, they should just sort of take damage whilst they spin into you. I mean, it's not particularly a likely thing to happen, but, you know. How come that one I can hit before it hits me, but the one down here I couldn't? Seems a bit of an inconsistency there. Oh, you can see his eyes in the distance of the second one. Ooh, running attacks do more damage. Excellent. Now they're both dead. I missed the drop up there because I didn't think that I'd be able, yeah, I wouldn't be able to get there. Then again, that might be illusionary. And then you would be able to. Unless you've got to jump off somewhere else up there. I don't know. Anyway. I should probably go down this ladder rather than just... Oh, no, no. Ooh, Archer. And other. Fuck off, bitches. You're gonna get me killed. You did almost get me killed. Now you have got me killed. What is this? Yeah, just make a perfect trap that they have no possibility of actually surviving because they'll get chain stunned and die. The salt is real. Because of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run. I'm going to try once more to get back to that place where I just died. If I fail, I'm going to end the episode. If not, then I'm going to end the episode when I get there and fuck their fucking shit up. Because this is a game where you either win or you die, and if you're not thinking straight, you're more likely to fucking die than to win. There is no middle ground when you play Dark Souls. Unlike the Game of Thrones, because there is obviously a middle ground when you play the Game of Thrones. Obviously. Hallelujah! Oh. Taking my idea, bitch. Bum 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 bum. They like giving you full damage in this area, don't they? I realise I should have healed before coming in here. As it is, I'm pretty likely to just die. Ow! Just keep running, go around a corner, go around another corner, keep going, let the stamina recovery, keep going, roll. Come back here just in case they can fall down. Heal up. Okay. Let's keep going again. Ooh, the rage, man. The rage is real. And apparently, so's the blummin' phlegm in my throat. Lovely. And I finished my cup of tea. Tea is a calming influence on me. But it's gone now. Wow, it's gone now. Wow, it's gone now. My tea is gone now. It is gone now. Oh, oh fuck, I'm dead. I am so dead. So dead. So very dead. 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 Apparently not. That's alright. Nice. Now then, I want to follow this pelvis. Dun 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 dun. Oh shit. And the pelvis just fell off the side anyway. Oh, 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 oh my. Oh my. Oh me, oh my. You can get up here through that, do you? Well, that's very nice, that is. That's very nice indeed. Oh, oh my. Oh me, oh my. Whee! Pillage. Ding! Taking some damage. I thought that was a drop, but it's just that shiny ass skull. Shiny ass skull. Not like an ass skull. Just a shiny skull. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna end the episode here. I seem relatively safe. Should probably take off this for that. So yeah. My name has been James. This has been Reeve. The other guy was Reeve, I believe. Yeah. Who's your mummy? Sorry. I am gonna go calm down a bit. Then there will be more Dark Souls on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.